I'm on a roll here, so we're going to skip part 10, which is just a bolt in the documents. We're going to go right to part 11, which is part 11 is the piston. So we're going to switch back to our blank drawing. I brought up my template, saved it as part 11 piston, and we're going to start by putting the piston head on here with a circle. I'm going to use the XZ plane, sorry. And the diameter of this circle is going to be 1.1222. We're going to extrude this a thickness of 2.9 minus 2.525. Or 0.375 if they'd put it on there, but sometimes they don't. So 0.375. Now we're going to come back over here. We're going to put the piston arm on here. So we're going to do another circle, and we'll lock to this plane. This one has a diameter of 0.2475. And we're going to extrude this. Nope. Come on. Try it again here. Extrude that plane. I don't know why I grabbed the other one before. The length of this is going to be 2.525. Okay. Now we're going to rotate this to a top view, and I need to make a little cutout on it. So I'm just going to draw, I'm going to use a rectangle by corners. Push this down. Like that. And we'll do one on the other side. I'm going to extrude this. I'm extruding it symmetrically, so it's actually going to cut out that side. Oops. Cotton. I want the face. Must have hit a key there. Okay. Now what we want to do is check our dimensions. Change the arrow. This needs to be 0.5. And the same thing for down here. Okay. And I'm going to rotate this up to a right side view. And I'm going to draw a circle. Right on this plane is good. And it's going to have a radius of 2. Pretty much any place right here. I'm just going to do a radius, hit the tab of 2. I know this seems weird, but I'm going to draw a box like this, and I'm going to start deleting some line segments. Select that box. Bring it right on to the end. So we roll that around. We can see that that arc, what I need is a 2-inch radius arc on the end of this. So we'll see if this works. I want to see. Oh, sorry, I screwed up. It's 0.2. Let's try this again. Okay, sorry about that. Good practice for me, huh? I can say what ails me. Do another circle. This time we'll do it right here. Hit tab, radius of 0.2. That looks sharper. And we'll do another box. And we'll delete this. And we'll delete. Come on, you worked once. There. Now, we're going to select that whole thing, and we are going to move it from, I always want to select it first for some reason, right to that end point. There, gives us a nice round end on it. Now we're going to extrude this. I'll do it in both symmetrically. Hit enter. So when I pull this down, I want to hit remove. And it didn't do it. Let's try it again. Oh, I think I know why. Picking up that corner. Try it with the chain. There we go. So that rounds off that corner. Now we're going to drill a hole through this. It says to be determined, but I'm going to put this hole at 0.125. we're going to just place it here anywhere for now. We're going to hit a front view, and I know that the dimension from this face to that center line is 2.7. So we're going to key in 2.7. There you go. I thought it shortened it. I think it did, and I just fixed that. And I think everything else is correct. So that is our piston. Let's go change our properties. This is definitely steel. And check our file properties. This is going to be our piston. Project 11. And we'll do a file save. Let's go switch our windows, go to our title block. In our view wizard, look in our parts. There's part 11 piston. And what I want is a top view. It doesn't look right. 2:1 should be. That's right, but I need it to be 2:1. Double the size. And we need to rotate that. Minus 90. There we go. I'll bring it right over here in the middle. So we're looking straight down on it. We're going to take a principal view and we're going to pull this down. So we're going to have a top and a front view so we can see the hole going through. Okay. Get our center mark. Although my drawing doesn't show it, I think I need an end view on this too. Like that, so I can get a good diameter, so otherwise people don't even know this is round. We'll start our dimensioning there. It does have a limit, upper limit of 0.0012. Yep, just like that. Okay, some center lines on here. Just grabbing these. And another center line here. Just take the selection tool and you can pull them out. Good. Now we're going to dimension it from this side to the very end is nominal dimension 2.9. And this one is 2.525. Dimension from here to here. This is actually going to be a limit, 4 decimal places. Upper limit is going to be 0.0009. Whoops. Had that wrong. 0.0013. That looks better. I got it wrong again. 0.0010. Should be 0.0009. Maybe it's because I already had it started. Let's see what happens now. There. Must have been because it was already started. 0.2484, 0.2475. That is the correct answer. Sorry. Oh man. Oops. Center line there. Good. This distance, top to bottom, is just a nominal dimension. It should be 0.150, so I got to go back to my part, roll this up to a top view. See what's going on here. And this time I want it to go in both directions. 0.150. Do a file save first. Switch my window. Now I have to update my views. Yeah, I know. That's 0.150. That's better. And down here we have a radius of 0.2. So we'll do a smart dimension here. And we'll, oops, select this and see if I can just pull it over. Yeah, works, but make a few minor adjustments here and there. And we have a dimension from this face to this end. 2.9. And from that face to the center line, getting a little tight here. See if we can pull this one down just a bit. And I can pull these dimensions up so they don't look so crowded. That's better. And I didn't, the hole said to be determined, but I'm actually going to show that hole as 0.125. And I believe that is it. A little bugger. Alright, so now I'm going to take this, put that down. Put our titles on here. Oops, that would be the top view, wouldn't it? This would be the front view. This is going to be a left side view, even though it's off the top, because it's symmetrical, it works, so I think we're okay. Everything else looks good. There's our piston. Again took too long to do it. And what's this question mark? Yeah, I don't need Windows help just yet. Just mental help. Everything else looks good. We will call it good then. And I'll do a file, save, and I'll do a file, save as translated, put this in my print directory, part 11 piston, hit save, looks good. I want to go take a look at that. It's actually up here, engine, prints, part 11. And there's our final drawing for that part. That's enough. Thank you.